Well, hi, folks. Congrats on finishing up first quarter of AP Stats. We are 25% of the way done, and we are going to be starting our second topic of the four. Topic one was just chapters 1 through 3 on analyzing data. Topic two is designing studies and is just one chapter long. It's just chapter 4. Since the grades for first quarter are officially done, that Chapter 3 free response test, you are more than welcome to swing on in and take a look at if you missed points where that had happened. I did end up curving the test just by 1/4 of a point. There were a few of you that's all you lost was 1/4 of a point. So nicely done if that was you. Most commonly missed one was related to the hint I told you is know how to use that formula sheet. The one thing and only thing we used the formula sheet for chapter 2 or chapter 3 was really writing the equation of a line using means and standard deviations. We had a question in our notes and we had a question in homework for that. So it was definitely out there for you to remember how to do. So again, if you recalled that and you applied it, great job. Do look at the grades. Again, they are pretty much done and locked down. I gave points back where I could, as much as I could on that. Do keep in mind your GPA is not calculated on quarter one, but it's going to be on the semester. So if you're not completely content with where your grade landed for first quarter, you have the opportunity to improve it for the final first semester. Let's take a look at what you can expect for second quarter as we start off. Designing studies is 15% of your national exam in May, and it's only on one chapter. So I do encourage you to kind of make sure you grasp this unit. It is not very mathematical. It's almost more social studies based, where you learn how to design a study, how to design experiments. There are going to be 2 deadlines, just as all our other chapters have had. No deadlines this week with chapter 4. Your first deadline is going to be next Friday at 3 p.m. on November 19th. It's the mid-chapter deadline, which means all of this work right here has to be done up to and including the mid-chapter free response. The other deadline we're going to have, obviously, is the end of chapter, and that actually happens after Thanksgiving break. So this one, in terms of pacing, for my just standard pacing, the multiple choice happened before break and the free response happened after break. You can pick and choose how you want to take that as long as you wrap up all of chapter 4 it is going to be Thursday, December 2nd by 3 p.m. I could definitely see some of you maybe waiting on this multiple choice and kind of doing the multiple choice and free response during the same week. You will definitely have this little bit of wiggle room here on the last part of the deadline. You also could do it before Thanksgiving break if you would like to. Let me know what questions you have as you're learning this section. Again, it's not very technical of a section, just more procedural in terms of how you design studies and a lot more of writing paragraphs and things of that nature. So have a great start to second quarter, and we'll talk to you later.